Hi students. So today also we will continue that integers chapter. So yesterday you learned what are the integers, how many types of integers, how to represent that integers on the number line, what are the properties, everything you learned. Is it right? Yes. Okay, based on that today we are going to solve the exercise problems. Keep heading in your notes exercise 1.1 and take your textbooks. Now I am reading the question. You have to listen carefully. First question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here different places are given, so that temperature of the places of temperature given on the number line. So what is the temperature? How much temperature in the different places? What is that? How many places are given first? Here Lahore, Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty, Bangalore. Okay, this is the information about the places of the. Okay, so what is the first question? Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So we have to observe on the number line the temperature of places given. See here 0, it is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now? So the places of the temperature here, the Lahore, Spiti having the temperature is, so here we have gone from minus 10. Minus 10 means that before minus 9 and here it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Similarly, Srinagar, the place of temperature Srinagar is how much? That is 0 left side. 0 left side integers are negatives. Okay na? So negative integers. 0 to you got here the direction here given. 0 minus 1 minus 2. The place of temperature of the Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Similarly, the temperature of the Simla, very good, 5 degrees Celsius. And the place of temperature of Ooty, so here 10 to, it is going forward, that is past 2. So 11, 12, 13 and 14 degrees Celsius. Yes, 14 degrees Celsius. And the place of temperature of Bangalore, that is here 22, you see 21, 22, 23. 23 degrees Celsius. 22 or 23 given? Okay, sorry, here 22 degrees Celsius given. That is the temperature of Bangalore. Okay, so we have to write everything stepwise. The temperature of places. Okay, so here you write the first places and temperature. So what is the name of the place? So what is the name? First to take the places of Lahore, Spiti. The place of temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And next Srinagar. Srinagar having minus 2 degrees Celsius temperature. And Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. Yes. And Ooty minus 4 plus 14, very good, plus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then next to Bangalore. The places of the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, come to the second one. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Hottest place. Hottest means the temperature is more. Coldest place means the temperature is less. So we have to find the difference between the hottest and the coldest. Which place having the most, that means more degrees Celsius of temperature here? Which place having more temperature? Very good. Bangalore, that is 22 degrees Celsius. Coldest means the temperature is goes in the negatives. Okay now? So that is Lahore, Spiti. These two places of difference we have to find out. So what is that? The difference between the hottest and the coldest place temperature. That is 22 degrees Celsius minus again minus 8 degrees Celsius. Difference means take the minus. Okay now 22 degrees Celsius. So simplify minus into minus. Minus plus 8 degree Celsius. 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. Now tell me what is the difference between the hottest and the coldest places? That is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, na? Right. Third one. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Here also same. Difference between the which places? Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. What is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? 8 degrees, minus 8 degrees Celsius. And which place they ask? Srinagar, the place of temperature. That is 2 degrees Celsius. What they ask? Difference. Difference means minus. Here minus 2 degrees Celsius. Like this you have to write. Minus 8 degrees Celsius is the temperature of place of that is Lahul Spiti, and the Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now simplify. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Here minus into minus, that is equal to plus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 plus 2. So here you have to do what did I say in the previous class? If one positive and one negative integers means first you should do the subtraction, and which integer is more, okay, that integer having which sign, that sign you have to give to the obtained integer. Here minus 8 plus 2 means you have to subtract first, that is 6 degrees Celsius. The 8 is greater, okay, don't consider this side, 8 is greater. Okay, after subtracting that, the 8 is greater, it is having negative sign, you should give the minus to that 6 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? Right. Okay. And last, in the first question, D, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So here asking temperature of Srinagar and Simla. If you take together temperature of which places first? Srinagar and Simla. If you take the temperature of places of this together, okay, so that temperature is less than the Shimla, less than the Simla. Is asking the question, what they are asking? After adding these two, you will get that, you will obtain some answer. That answer, that the degrees of temperature is less than the place of Shimla. So let us check first. We have to add together. That is minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 degrees Celsius, which place temperature? Srinagar. And Simla 5 degrees. So here you have to subtract. Very good. That is 3 degrees Celsius. What is the after adding the Srinagar and the Simla places of temperature? You got the 3 degrees Celsius. This temperature is less than the Shimla. Is less than the Shimla. It is the less than the temperature of Simla. So then we can write here the 3 degrees Celsius is less than the 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius means the temperature of Shimla. And the continuation is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So this temperature is less than the Srinagar. So we know that the temperature of Srinagar. What is the temperature of Srinagar? Temperature of Srinagar. The place of temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. So tell me, it is less than the temperature of Srinagar? No, it is not less than the place of Srinagar. So the answer you write finally. So therefore, no, it is not less than. It is not less than. It is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Okay, children? So like that you have to solve the problems. First to understand what they given on the number line. What is the temperature of places? So everything you have to write. After that you read the question clearly and understand how to solve the integers of addition and subtraction. Okay children, come to the second question. In which positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jobs scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? What was his total at the end? So 5 successive rounds are there. Okay. So for every correct answer he got the 10 marks. For every incorrect answer he got the negative marks. So like that in the 5 rounds he got the different marks. That is 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. After completion of the rounds, how many marks he got? Okay, what was his total at the end? Total at the end. That means how many marks he got. So we have to find how many marks he got finally. First, we have to write the given obtained marks. We have to write. So how many marks he scored? So that is Jobs scores in 5 successive rounds. 5 successive rounds. So different marks he got. Okay, for correct answer he got the positive marks. Incorrect answer negative marks. Okay, so for first he got the 25 marks. Sorry, 25 and the next minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10 marks he got. Now total marks. Total means addition. So total marks got by Job. Total marks. Each marks you have to add 25 plus. Addition symbol is plus. 25 plus. So minus 5 again plus of minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now simplify here. 25 plus into minus, minus 5 plus into minus, minus 10 again plus 15 plus 10. Here you have to remember product of two positives is equal to plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. The standard operations you have to remember. Now add. So here all the positive integers we add. Here 25. So here 15 plus 10. Total how much? 25. 15 plus 10. 25. Very good. Minus 5 minus 10. Two negative integers. First we have to add and give the minus. So that is 5, 10, 15. 25 plus 25. That is 50 minus 15. Now subtract 50 minus 15. So take the power here. 10 minus 5 is a 5. Here 4 will be there. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So how many marks he got? The Jobs got 35 marks. So thus 35 marks got by 35 marks got by the Jobs in a quiz. 35 marks are got by a job in a quiz. Okay, na? Right. Next, in the third question, see, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Here, Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. On Monday, what is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 5 degrees Celsius are there. Okay, na? After that, then it is dropped. So that means minus 5 degrees to it become down. Okay. So that is how many degrees? 2 degrees Celsius. On the next day, Tuesday. Then what was the temperature of Srinagar? After dropping the temperature, so how much temperature will be? on the day of Tuesday. Similarly, on Wednesday again the temperature was raised. How many degrees? 4 degrees. Monday 5 degrees Celsius. After Tuesday the temperature is fell down. How many degrees? 2 degrees. Again the next day, Tuesday after Wednesday. Wednesday the temperature was raised. That is 4 degrees Celsius. Then what was the temperature on that Wednesday? So here first what they given, we have to write first. Okay, so that right on Monday. So here 3 days are there: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So on Monday the temperature at Srinagar, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Monday? 5 degrees. That is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature was dropped. Yes, temperature dropped. Temperature dropped. How many degrees? Degrees dropped here? 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius. Then what was the temperature on Tuesday? Temperature on Tuesday. So dropped means it is minus. Very good. Then minus 5 degrees, minus 2 degrees. That is minus 7 degrees Celsius. For example, here 0, there minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here, now the temperature on Monday, the temperature on Monday is 5 degrees Celsius, minus 5 degrees. 2 degrees drop means here it will come down. That is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, na? So now the temperature on Tuesday is, what was the temperature on Tuesday? 7 degrees Celsius. Again on Wednesday, temperature rose up. Temperature rose up. How many degrees? Right?
The story understand. I went out on the snow, and on my back I fell.
Now temperature on Wednesday. So here, now actually on the Tuesday the temperature was minus 7. After how many degrees of Celsius of temperature raised? 4 degrees. That is minus 7 to rising means you have to move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So you are 3 degrees Celsius. That is minus 7 degrees Celsius to plus 4 degrees Celsius. You will get, that is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Now tell me, what was the temperature on Tuesday? 3 degrees Celsius. So finally you write the answer. The temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was on Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius and Wednesday minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Dropped means you take negative, raised means take positive. Okay, na? Right. Okay, children, now next come to the fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level, and at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them? So a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters. One plane is there that is flying above the sea level. So how much distance above the sea level it is flying? 5,000 meters. Okay, now and downside, that means on the sea level, the submarine here, it is floating 1200 meters below. So plane is flying 5,000 meters. So submarine is floating here 1200 meters below the sea level. Okay, what is the vertical distance between them? What is the distance between the flying of a plane and aeroplane submarine? That means we have to do the addition. So then how to do that? So 5000 meters plus 1200 meters. The total distance is 6,200 meter. So that one, okay na? Okay, how to write that one? Height of the place of the above the sea level is 5,000, and floating the submarine below the sea level is 1200. Then the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine. The distance between the plane and the submarine is 6,200. This one you have to do homework. And not only that, and the fifth question also see, Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it. The next day, if the withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. So Mohan is there, he has deposited some amount in the bank. How much amount he has deposited? 2000 rupees. After that, the next day he has withdrawn. Withdrawn means he has taken amount from the depositing amount. That is how much amount he has taken? 1642 rupees. Okay, here you have to take depositing amount to take plus and withdrawing amount to take minus. Okay na? From total 2000 rupees to if he take 1642 rupees. Okay na? Back. Then what is the that means what is the remaining amount he kept in the bank? Remaining means what you have to do here? Subtraction from 2000 to 1642. Do subtraction. So you will get the remaining amount, the remaining balance in the bank. Okay, can you do this? Okay, children. Today I want to give these two problems as homework to you. That homework you note down in the page number 4, question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 and 5. These two are the homework to you. And not only that, every day you have to remember the definitions, everything you have to, properties, everything you have to remember. Okay children, bye.